Okay, hi everyone. My name is Leila. I'm from Shenzhen Fantastic View Technology Company. Now let me introduce the photo booth for you. It's very interesting because it's robot. And how can use it? You can see when you receive it, you will get the remote control, or you can get the application. You can install it on your phone, and then you can use phone to control it. Okay, now let me show you. So yes, wait, 1 second. So when you receive it, you can install the camera here. Also, you can buy the software as curator, and you can use it to take the photo. Like this one. Okay, good, handsome boy. In the AI template, you can pick up one, and then it will process to AI, and you can get it. You can see the back of it. It with emergency button. So if the speed too fast, you do not need to worried about it because it can stop when it feel anyone here. Okay. So this is about this. My company also produces the photo booth, LCD display, LED display. Welcome to contact me if you are interested in anything. We also have a warehouse in Los Angeles. So our website is ftyview.com. Thank you.